the Walmart beauty box for fall. This is a seasonal box. I think it's like $7 or $8. I am subscribed to it myself, so let's go ahead and jump in and see what I got. This month I didn't even like pre-open it, so it's gonna be like a surprise as I see it. So of course they have their little booklets. It could be any of these products. I'm not even gonna look at them. I just kind of want to just jump in. So the first thing I see here is the L'Oreal Elvive Glycolic Gloss. It's a leave-in serum. Ooh, and it's a full size, so I'm super excited for that. It says it makes your hair 14 times smoother. So I'm not sure. I've never tried. I do like their leave-in conditioner from this line. It's one of my all-time favorites, like not leave-in conditioners, hair masks. The one in like the gold tub. If you guys have seen my empties, you probably have seen it before because I have used quite a few of them, but it has a nice smell to it. So we shall see as I use it, but it's supposed to help soothe your hair and laminate every cuticle to reflect light. So it actually has like some kind of like shimmer in there, like to give it a gloss. So I'm really happy with that. That in its own is worth the box. Next we have, oh, I'm like, what is it? It's a little makeup eraser. Some people love these, to be honest. I don't really use these to take off my makeup. I rather just use oil in the shower. This is cute. It actually has like a little hand thing to like go in there and take off the makeup. I just feel like I'm someone who uses makeup so often that I would have to like wash this on a daily basis to feel like clean using it. So something that I do use these for is for cleaning off my brushes. Like I'll like if I'm using a brush, like I'll wipe it off on here. So I think that that's what I'll keep it for. And I do like the fact that this one's like tinier, so it'll be easy for me to keep here in front of me. Next we have, what is this? Is this empty? Oh no, it isn't. Next we have the Adidas Vibes Spark Up. So it's a little mini size. I love, every time I do a Sephora order, this is what I order as like my freebies. It's always like these little mini perfumes. So I'm super excited to try this out. It says it's uplifting, vibrant. It has sweet orange and black pepper, which is proven to make you positive. So I'm gonna have to spray this all over myself. Let's just take a little whiff of it. Oh, it's very fruity. So it's very much that orange. I don't know. Lately I've been seeing black pepper as one of the main notes in a lot of perfumes. If you know about that note, let me know, because I can't imagine like mixing in black pepper in there. Like my nose does not pick it up whatsoever. There was recently the Dulzura perfume I got for review purpose. It also had black pepper in there. No idea where it's at in there, or I'm not sure if it's just something that they put in there to I don't know, to enhance it, or it needs it. I'm not sure, but I am gonna have to Google that. Next we have these little mini argan oil of Morocco. We have shampoo and conditioner, and these are like little sample packets, which would be really good for like taking to travel with. And I actually really like this brand, OGX, so I will be keeping these. And then the last thing in here, oh no, I have another thing. This is the Blur Out Soothing Primer from Milani. So it's a little sample size, so I'll try that first. I don't know why this little light has been dying on me, so I'm not sure what's going on, but let's just try it on again. Hopefully it doesn't die. And then the last thing in here is from Revolution Beauty. This is a Pout Balm Plumping Lip Gloss, and I don't have much from Revolution Beauty, so okay, my light is just dying. It just does not. But I'm just gonna apply a little bit just in case, because some plumpers are like off the chain. So I applied just the tiniest bit. It adds a little bit of gloss. I use my finger to not get it dirty on the inside. I can feel like a little bit of tingling, but not over the top, but I did only apply just the smallest amount. Overall, I have to say this is the best Walmart box that I've received so far. I love that this was full size. I have the magic eraser, a whole bunch of little travel stuff, little testers. Also the lip gloss, the perfume, the Milani. So I feel like overall this month was a good month. So I'm super happy with this month. Definitely worth my $7. Let me know if you guys get this box, what you got this month, if you guys have subscribed to this, if you guys like it. I'd love to hear from you down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button. It's free. You get to choose which videos you want to see. And also I do have socials down below if you guys want to follow me over there. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.